making seed balls. You can collect all the things you need here. So we need clay, compost, seeds and chili powder to keep the slugs away, and water to make seed balls. First, you need to pour everything into one bowl like this. Next, you need a little bit of chili powder, but make sure you don't get them on your hands or your eyes because they'll itch and hurt. Next, we just need a tablespoon of water. Then we mix it all together. Once it's like clay, take a little bit off and then roll it into a ball. Then put them on some newspaper to dry, and when they're dry, you can plant them. When they have dried, you can push them in the soil like this. Then after that, we can water them. After the rain and sun, they'll turn into beautiful flowers for the bees and butterflies. Thank you for watching.